Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. I hope everything is well with you. Today we are going to make oxtail stew with pondu. If you are interested, let's go to my kitchen. I already cleaned the pondu. If you don't know how I clean my pondu, I prepare it before cooking. You can see from other videos, and the same thing with the oxtail. For the pondu, I'm going to use links, spring onions, parsley and garlic, onions, and all those ingredients I'm going to blend them, and I will use green bell pepper, aubergine, garden egg, which is solo, and courgette. And then I'm going to use palm oil. Okay, for the oxtail, I'm going to use fresh tomatoes, which are seeded. I took off the seed, but I will use the juice from the tomato to mix it. I have onions, spring onions, garlic, parsley, and coriander. All those ingredients, I'm going to blend them apart from the solo, which is garden egg. Okay, I started with pondu, and I'm going to pour all the ingredients, which is leek, spring onions, parsley, garlic, onions, and green bell pepper. That's the blended vegetables I'm putting in. Palm oil, chopped vegetables, which are I chopped garden egg, courgette, aubergine, and added water. Like I said, I'm going to cook vegetarian cassava leaves, so I'm not going to put anything. I will season after all the water reduced. Okay, for the oxtail, I'm going to put vegetal, which is all-purpose seasoning or salt, and then the blended grained ingredients. I will add nutmeg, I will mix it, so I'm going to add the chopped garden egg or solo. I'll let it cook, no water, until the water reduced, and then we'll come back. The water reduced from the pondu. Now I'm going to stir it. I'm going to crush the vegetables. If you don't like crushing your vegetables from the pondu, you can leave it this way, but my kids don't like to see all the chunk vegetables in the pondu, so I'm going to crush it. Simple and quick to cook. I'm going to taste it. Always taste your food. And here the oxtail has cooked. I didn't add any water. I put it in the medium low heat, so that's why it cooked without me adding any water. I already have oil, not too much because the oxtail has oil. I'm going to fry the pre-cooked tomatoes. So what I do with the tomato, I do blend the tomatoes, boil it until all the water reduces. So it's not going to take long for me to fry because the tomatoes are already cooked. And in, I'm going to add in the meat, add water, and cover cook for a few minutes, and then I will come taste it. And then add a little bit of water because my kids love eating pondu with some sauce on the side, so it makes it, they love it this way. So that's why when I cook pondu, I always have to cook it with a stew, tomato stew. I just tested the oxtail, which the salt was okay, and then I will cover, simmer. Same thing with the pondu. My pondu is done really quick. As you can see, I crushed most of the vegetables. Really delicious. I hope you like it. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like and comment and share with your loved one. And here we have it. The oxtail is cooked. Everything is done. I hope they like your video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.